Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's crucial for website security, SSL certificates. But not just any SSL certificate. We're diving into Wildcard SSL and how it can save you both time and money when managing multiple subdomains on your website. So let's get started. A Wildcard SSL certificate helps secure your main domain and all subdomains with a single certificate. For example, a certificate for spa.example.com protects subdomains like www.example.com, mail.example.com, and blog.example.com, so you don't need to purchase separate certificates for each subdomain. Benefits of Wildcard SSL. 1. Simple management. First up, Wildcard SSL makes certificate management super easy. Instead of dealing with multiple certificates for each subdomain, you only manage one. This is especially helpful if you're running a site with dozens or even hundreds of subdomains. 2. Cost. Efficiency. Next, let's talk about money. A Wildcard SSL is typically much cheaper than buying individual SSL certificates for each subdomain. One investment protects everything, which can save you a lot in the long run. 3. Easy renewal. You only need to renew one certificate, reducing the risk of forgetting a renewal. 4. Flexibility. You can add new subdomains without additional costs or configurations. Drawbacks of Wildcard SSL. Now, while Wildcard SSL is a fantastic option for many, it's not always the best choice for every situation. Let's look at a few potential downsides. 1. Security risk. If the private key is compromised, all subdomains are at risk. 2. Limited control. There is no separation of security for each subdomain. 3. Infrastructure compatibility. Some applications may work better with single SSL certificates. When to use Wildcard SSL or single SSL certificates. Wildcard SSL is ideal for many subdomains that don't require special security settings. Single SSL is better for subdomains handling sensitive data or requiring stricter security control. To sum it up, Wildcard SSL is a fantastic option if you're looking to save time, money, and streamline your security management for multiple subdomains. But remember, if maximum security is a priority, single SSL certificates might be the better option for you. At the end of the day, the best choice depends on your specific needs. Whether you go with Wildcard SSL or individual SSL certificates, the goal is to keep your website secure while staying efficient. If you need SSL certificate or other security solution, visit our website below. We are here to help protect your data and secure your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on website security and everything tech related.